agreement. So, Miss Jake, welcome to our world.
Thank you. So Creative New Zealand, we have a contract with them, a 3-year contract to distribute funding, and the mechanism that we have been using for a number of years is through Creative Taupo. So there's been a 3-year contract with Creative Taupo to deliver that service on our behalf, and that's expired. So this is the renewal of that third-party agreement between Council, Creative Taupo and Creative New Zealand. There are, there is other options in terms of using Creative Taupo. You could establish a separate assessment committee. There's some other ways that you could do it, but Creative Taupo have been functioning well, and they also align this with the $20,000 the council give Creative Taupo to spread on our behalf, so it works quite well.
Okay, when they went through this, if you read this yourself, page 2, that members should be appointed for not more than 3 years and serve not more than 2 terms. The chair should be elected on an annual basis and should never serve more than 2 consecutive terms and whatever. We have had an issue where we've had an extremely passionate ex-council of ours and some others that have served way past those terms, and they have been made aware that they have put it slightly in breach, for want of a better word, of our agreement, and they are changing their structure around, or as we speak, they're in the process.
Reviewing the structure.
So being on webcam in the public, I would particularly like to congratulate and thank Councillor Welch for many, many years that he's put on here. Unfortunately, under the deed, he's exceeded his time and has to be moved around. However, that is happening, and Creative Taupo are going to carry on with the agreement with us. That's what this agenda item is about. But if any further questions, happy for Ms. Jake to take them. And or if there is a suggested resolution. Oh, I'm sorry, Councillor Williams, have you hand up?
No, he's up. I'm happy to move.
Okay, which is number 1 and number 2 on the bottom of page 2. Is there a seconder, please? Seconded. Councillor Truman, all those in favour? Aye. Thank you very much. Thank you, Mr. All is well in the